What's up? We got the blaster back again. Since last time you saw it in a video, actually nothing has happened with it. I've ridden it a couple of times just to kind of get everything moving, get it back into a little bit better condition, get everything flowing. But today we are going to put a brake cable from Motion Pro on the front, because it's got a super long cable up here that actually doesn't work. And use this Krylon Fusion satin white on these back fenders, because these things are already disgusting, so it won't really matter if I spray paint them, even though I hate spray painted plastics. I hate this work. I'm also going to paint this nose piece and this gas tank cover, because that paint job is also awful, as well as these old faded Rockstar stickers. Let's start disassembling. This fine rear fender came apart from the air box. It apparently had like a plastic rivet or something that held it in, and all of those have come off now, so that's just got it sanded decent. This paint's really thick and the plastic's very chunky feeling, so I'm just gonna spray it and hope for the best. While the paint's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and try and take this here brake cover off, which I already have the screws out of, and get this super long, like carburetor style cable out and change it to the new one. I'm gonna clean out this here cable box, I guess you could call it. It's super sticky in there from old grease, so I'll probably smoothen up things real good. So the brake lever bolt is actually broken off down in there. As you can see, the nut down there, so I'm gonna actually drill it out and put a new one in there. I got this little brake box cleaned and I sprayed it with silicone, so that should be pretty smooth from now on. It still doesn't have front brakes, but hopefully that's just an adjustment issue, or that it needs pads, I'm sure. Got the plastics of the blaster painted up. They are far from perfect. There's a little grease on that one, but they look fine for now. I'm just looking for new plastics, and I just wanted them to look a little bit better than they did for the time being. So pretty much everything that I can do right now is done. I need an exhaust gasket and a few other things, but other than that, it's getting close to being where it needs to be.